here's my primer. Here's the gold. I told you I'm doing gold. Here's tape to do some designs, clear coat, and matte black. I like matte black. And that's the plastics, and it's not a good day. So, it's got water and the tools. Just gonna pour that out. Well, the tools look good though. Don't need them things, Russell. Primer. So, like, comment, and subscribe. And, sure, because I'm going to be doing some oh crap. I'm going to be doing some upgrades. Oh, no, I need to do a stencil. Do some updates in here. You already know who it is. You got to be Evan D420. So, I'm going to start applying this. I need to clean this, but... So, you get the light coat and say, oh, that one scared me. Whoa, it's splattering. That crap is splattering. Y'all see that, y'all? This crap's splattering. I want to shake it up more. Well, I don't know. I'll get back to you when I get this coat on. You can see how it does if you want. So, oh yeah, it smells like candy. Yes. Here it is. Well, I ain't that finished with it, but... Well, here's the first coat of primer on it. I like the primer. Just the primer. That look good on my bike. I'll go... Put in the comments if y'all want me to put like a stripe going like through here like that. Going down. Or you want me to put flames going through there. So, you do... I'm a kid, so... I'm 12 years old and I can spray paint that good. Well, I've spray painted all my life, though. Oh, yeah, I got tire shine for the thing, though. I'm going to redose it, though. Yep. So, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to follow the updates. If you like the updates, too. And you put one coat of, or you put 2 coats of primer on it. So, I'll be doing that metal down there. Oh, not there. I'll be doing that one. Next time y'all see. No, I'll be doing that one, so. Oh yeah, one more thing. This is how you paint your plastics as a kid. So, well guys, I'm done with the primer. Well, it's drying still, so if you're a kid, I know kids they got their tires and everything. Well, I'm 12 years old. I was watching some YouTube videos of them kids tore up their dirt bike. It looks like that thing right there. You know, there's no spray paint it right, so you gotta put primer. They just put gold spray paint. Mine's like metallic gold with some clear coat over it, so you know it's gonna shine. You're gonna see my camera from it, so I'll get back to you when I'm doing this paint. So yeah, it's drying a little bit down there. Let's focus. And the stencil's coming last. And some details. So, getting this to this spray paint now. Make sure you wait a few minutes between like the primer coat. So I'm putting I need one bottle for this. I'm putting how many I may put 3. I'm going to maybe put I'm going to put 2 coats, but I maybe put 3. So, I gotta shake it up. Make sure you shake it up real good. Make sure you do this. Always, kids. Always, or all adults. Either one. Always. If you have some spray paint like this, make sure you shake it up real good. And test it. Ooh, look at that chrome right there. Hold up. And I started getting the splatter because I ain't used spray paint in a while. Don't do it like that. Do it like that. So Oh my God. Y'all see that? Oh my Jesus. So, like, comment, and subscribe. This is gonna look so awesome. Watch out. I just messed up. See, right there? I messed up. So, when you're doing it, don't get a lot of force going on to it, people. So, you get it like right there, and you say, we messed up again. Like that. Keep on layering it until you get like that. So, I have one more thing to say, but I'll get back to you when I do it. And make sure you use primer. If you do not use primer, it ain't gonna look as good. So, make sure you use primer. So, next video I might be cleaning this up a lot. I mean a lot. Well, here's the first coat. About 20 minutes maybe. Or until it dries. It ain't dried yet. Just look at the difference. Y'all, just look at the difference. I like it a lot more than that thing. I like it a lot more. Plus, that's gonna be that color. The shocks and everything's gonna be that color. The engine is gonna be like a good chrome. I'm talking about a good chrome because I want to pressure wash the crap out of it. Take that plastics off and stuff. So, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll get back to you when I'm doing it. Oh yeah, make sure you do the bottom of it. Focus, focus, focus. There it goes. Oh yeah, I didn't show y'all me painting the bottom of it. Make sure you put primer on like again. Make sure you keep on doing that. Make sure you like barely like that. Don't be like that, cause you just waste there. If you do that quickly, make sure you get all the paint all around. So I'll get back to you when I'm doing the other side of the thing. So I had a little running issue. Look at that. Look, look. What in the world? What's going on? What in the world? Look at this. I'm gonna fix it. Careful over there. Smooth it on out. Yeah, it's turned into a bad paint job. Make sure I paint over it too. Sure I can get on it. Well, that's like that now. So, you scuff it up. And you gotta spray paint over it. Dad spray paint that. Y'all, make sure you get a long coat. So, it's gonna be a bad paint job. It just started raining. I've got to go get some tarp. I got some tarp, and I just hope they're gonna do some stuff for me. And that drip is getting on my nerves, but I can't say a word. It's gonna go back on it. So, it's gonna get covered up. Second coat. I'll flip it around first. Oh, this one look beast. If I can actually do it today. Yep. Second coat. Second coat. Oh, you better not. Start to rain. As much as the can I got. Oh yeah, it's dripping. Stop! Look at that. That's called cheap spray paint. This stuff ain't cheap. Don't buy this brand, y'all. Buy Rust-Oleum. It's better. Look at that though. Make sure you keep it from a far distance. Yeah, I'll get back to you when I get done. Please let this be a normal day of not rain. Stuff's raining bad. I want to have to stop this. I'm not going to do this video. I just got to get the clear coat on. Crap. Then I got to do the... It's going to take a long time. It's drying. I'll get back to you when I'm doing the clear coat. Guys, don't never trust a cat logo like that. See that? It's shining. I'll make it shiny as I can with stuff. So it says that on it, but I don't know if I can trust it that much. Well, it's still drying and it's raining, so we'll go back to it. I don't want to spend $20. I don't want to spend. I don't want to spend so much money getting new plastic. But it don't work. Then me getting them powder coated, and it comes off. Oh my god! I may just wind up using plastic dip. People saying, do not place your plastic. I want to go see that. Ooh. Good. That's gonna protect it right here, man. It's gonna fall out protected. Yeah, man, it is. It's gonna fall out protected. See that? See that difference right there, man? And I'm doing it way far because I'm holding the camera at the same time. Oh, crap. See? Told you. Oh, that's a lot of paint. So, I'll get back to you. See, they got paint all over my phone, but... What? Do not use clear coat. I just messed up all my paint. Especially that. I'm just gonna let it dry. Don't use clear coat. Do not use clear coat. It ain't clear coat. Alright. Y'all know what it is? It's primer coat. Probably. That bullcrap paint. Don't use it. Don't use it. Let it just do one thing I'm gonna do. Yep. Y'all see that? It's gonna be basically like that, so. Messed up. Again. Don't use that much paint. Well, that includes the paint. Evan D420 outside. You already know who it is. I shouldn't have put that primer on there. The primer's good, but I shouldn't have put the clear coat on it. So, like, comment, subscribe. This is this spray paint right there. I have an E420 on it. Y'all already know. And it's dripping. You already know. It's eating all this spray paint. I tried. Yep, I tried. I tried. Ain't the best paint job I ever did. I may wind up just buying new plastics on there. So, spice of the, not the worst. Comment and subscribe. There goes the plastics. I'm freaking mad as crap now. And there it is. So, you'll see them on the thing right now. Because they're so crap of a plastic that I can just go ahead and put it on there. That's it. What's the plastics? Looks weird now. I can say it's the gold dirt right now. Well, like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye. And peace out.